Okay, so we're going to take a quick break and look at adding your domain name to cPanel if you haven't done this yet. So right now we're logged into cPanel, and what we're going to do is go ahead and navigate back to our domain registrar. Okay, so all you want to do is, if it's with GoDaddy, and this is going to look similar with other registrars, you're going to go into your domain settings. Okay, so with GoDaddy, okay, once you get to manage DNS, what you want to do is you'll see name servers. Okay, and sometimes you'll see records above that if they're still set to GoDaddy's name servers. And if that's the case, then you'll select I'll use my own name servers, and then put in the name servers for your server. In this case, they're ns1.bjblackburn.com, for example, and ns2.bjblackburn.com. And then you're just going to save that. And then we'll say yes. We'll just get that warning right there. Okay. And then it's going to do a verification. So I'll verify that. And verify. Okay. Okay, so we now have our name servers updated. So we can go back to our hosting cPanel. And once that is complete, we can go to the domain section. And now your cPanel might look different depending on what provider you have. But if you can't find something, the search box at the top, you can always use that to type in the word. We can say domain, and then we see the options get sorted like so. And if this is an additional domain to what you already have up, right? So if you already have a website going, you already have one website on your cPanel, then you're going to want to click Add on Domain. Okay, and here is where you type in your domain. Okay, and no www or HTTPS, anything like that. You are just going to type in the actual domain. Just put in the root domain. In this case, it's a Blackburn host, and the extension, which is .com. When you type that in, you'll see the subdomain come up just like this without the extension, right? That's good. But we'll leave it all default as now. And our domain is on there. So we are going to go. All right, so we can go back to the main section, and now we can scroll down and go back to email if we didn't do that step yet. And it's time for the next tutorial.